A common type of markup is reviews. For instance, when users search for a product or service, like a book or restaurant, it's useful to be able to show them a review directly in the search results snippet. In order for your reviews to properly display as a rich snippet, there are a few properties that you should mark up in your HTML. The item being reviewed, and the item's rating, as well as who the reviewer is, and when they wrote the review. You can also mark up the body of the review and a review summary. Let's take a look at a microwave review. Using schema.org markup, start by indicating the type of element you're marking up, in this case a review, nested in a product element. Mark up the review description if you have one, the author of the review, the date it was published, and the body of the review itself. If you need to provide information in a different format than what is visible to users on the page, use the meta tag. In this case, the date that's visible to the user is April 1st, 2011, but we need to mark it up in ISO format, so we'll use the meta tag. To include a rating, nest a rating element right in your review's review rating property. A rating can include the rating value itself, as well as a best value. Google will normalize your rating on a 5-point scale using these values. If your page shows multiple reviews, you can mark it up to show rich snippets just like you can for a single review page. Let's look again at the microwave example. Now that I have a few reviews, I'm going to add a review aggregate. Just like a single review, mark up the rating, along with a best value. Also include the total number of reviews on the page, using review count, or the total number of votes without a review, using rating count. If you use review count, make sure that the page actually contains review markup for each review.